Would you mind telling us about the process?
Good afternoon, Professor Michael. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, David. I'm doing well. And you?
I'm good, thank you. This is my brother John.
Hi, John. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor.
What can I do for you?
He is thinking about applying to this university. He has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process?
I'm more than happy to speak with you. But now I'm busy. Please stop by my office tomorrow morning.
Thank you so much for helping us.
You're welcome. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your questions.
See you tomorrow, Professor.
See you soon. Goodbye.
Welcome to my house.
Welcome to my house.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family. My father, mother, brother, and me.
Does your brother still live with your parents?
Right now, no, but he used to.
Are you older than your brother?
No, I'm not. I'm the second child in my family.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
What does your mother do?
She is an accountant.
How old is your mother?
She is 51 years old, 4 years younger than my father.
What does your brother do?
He's a programmer, he works in Silicon Valley.
How old is your brother?
He's 25 years old.
What does your father like?
He likes to play golf and read newspapers.
What does your mother like?
She likes to watch movies and cooking.
Do your parents let you stay out late?
Of course, yes. Sometimes they ask me to get home before 11 p.m.
Does your family usually have dinner together?
Yes, we do.
How long will you live with your parents?
Until I graduated from college.
I need to start thinking about my health.
It's very quiet here to think.
What are you thinking?
I get sick very often these days. I need to start thinking about my health.
Surely you must be.
I want to get healthier.
Then you have to do something.
What do I have to do?
If you want to be healthy, you have to eat healthier.
How should I eat?
You should eat more vegetables.
I will eat a lot of fruits and vegetables.
Eat more fish. Cut down on fat and sugar. Eat less salt.
I can't completely remove salt from my food.
Adults should eat no more than 6 grams of salt a day.
What about good habits?
Do not get thirsty and do not skip breakfast.
Maybe I should start exercising.
Get active and be a healthy weight.
I just have to exercise.
But now you have to rest.
Meet a stranger at the bus stop.
We couldn't ask for a better day, could we?
I like this season the most. It's sunny and not too cold.
I also like the weather like this.
My work will be very convenient if it is sunny like this.
What do you do?
I sell ice cream at the mall.
People will eat more ice cream in hot weather.
They sure are. But the weather forecast for next week is rain all week.
You should trade in other items.
I have the same plan. Does the weather affect your work?
No. I'm an office staff.
This bus seems to run late. How long have you been waiting here?
I've been waiting for almost half an hour.
Maybe we'll wait for that long.
I admit I told her.
Why do you look so upset?
Someone told my manager that I lied.
What did you lie about?
I was late due to a traffic jam.
Does she yell at you?
No, she hasn't talked to me about it yet.
I admit I told her. I'm sorry for that.
Why did you do that?
I couldn't help it. She asked me point blank.
I shouldn't have told you about it.
She won't blame you.
Why not? I lied.
I told her you got up late because you worked late.
Even though I work late at night, I still have to get up early to go to work.
But you worked so hard.
That's what I was supposed to do at the company.
Or she gave you too much work.
I could have worked faster. What was her attitude when you told her about it?
She seems to sympathize with you.
So I worry less.
You surprise me.
Yesterday I forgot to thank you.
Thank you for what?
I really appreciate you celebrating my daughter's birthday.
You're welcome. I hope there wasn't a big mistake.
Everything is so perfect. Especially the birthday cake was delicious.
I did it myself.
Can you make a birthday cake?
Yes, I can. Not too complicated.
You surprise me.
I learned how to make cakes online.
I also want to learn how to make cakes. Can you guide me?
I will send you a video link of how to make it.
I'm afraid I can't study online like you.
At first, I was as scared as you, but when I did, I found it not difficult.
Once you know it, it will be easy.
Trust me, the tutorial is step by step. You just have to follow it.
I hope so. Having internet is convenient.
I usually learn skills on the internet.
So do many people.
I also study foreign languages online.
I also want to learn more Spanish.
You can learn it with your phone.
How do I learn it?
You can install an app to learn Spanish.
I'm afraid I won't learn.
Why can't you learn?
I think it's easier to learn with a tutor.
You can study online with native speakers.
How is the time?
You can study when you want.
That way I will be lazy to study.
Then you should go to school.
The school would suit me better.
I also plan to learn Spanish.
So you should go to school with me.
I prefer online learning.
Going to school will be more efficient.
And meet many new friends.
So why don't you go to school?
I'm very busy.
How would you learn it online?
I will install the app on my phone first.
You will take advantage of your free time to study.
After I know the basics, I will sign up for a conversation lesson with tutors.
The conversation will help you learn a foreign language faster and more interestingly.
The tutor will correct my mistakes.
Why are you learning Spanish?
I want to know another language.
You are already fluent in 3 languages.
Spanish will be the 4th.
You are so diligent. I admire you.
You're going to learn Spanish too.
I study for work.
Why your job requires knowing Spanish?
I am going on a business trip to Spain for a year.
Then we won't see each other for a year.
I will miss everyone.
We will miss you too.